Just 3 seconds and I could have kept the original video, but I fucked up. I thought I took off enough of the conversation that you couldn't hear anything, but evidently my French is a little rusty. I didn't understand most of the things that they were saying on the phone call conversation, so I had to delete 3 seconds of it so you could just get the word that I really wanted to hear, which I always hear at work, which is tabernacle, okay? Well, anyhow, hello! I hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Here's the video that I put up earlier. Here it is again, a little bit of deja vu for you guys, all right? Please enjoy. Here we are, back at the top again. This little basket. It's all bullshit. I'm not one for heights, man. Another day in the office. High in the sky, baby. Whew. Round 2, going up to the sky. Just chilling on the side of the fucking tip of the top of the building. Yeah, that's the fucking roof. That's where I am. This fucking lift, all the way down yonder. Drop that is. This guy just got stuck in the mud. Terrible. The boss is like, well, I got a great idea. Why don't you go ahead and go up on the fucking roof where there's nothing but wind around there. I'm like, yeah, great. I fucking love that idea. Yeah! Finally on lunch break. These fucking guys. Why is it so blurry? Here we go. They doing making out in there? This, I've been putting my boot up so many people's asses. I think it's fair. Look at this shit. What the fuck is this? That's okay. What the fuck is this? Nah, about that. We're here working at the damn cemetery, Cranston, Rhode Island. You know, see me? Yeah! I'm out of breath. Bullshit, I gotta climb all the way up to the heavens. My goodness. Don't mind me, but look at this here crazy shit. Look at the little bean car. Well, at least it smells nice in here. Fuck! Actually, you know what? Fuck that shit. I ain't wasting nothing. It's way too damn good, even with the glass.